So in this exam, there are 75 questions, and I'm going to use the letter C to represent the number of correct answers, and wrong is W, and U is unattempted. And you get +3 for correct, -1 for wrong, and +1 for unattempted. So first condition, C plus W plus U, all these questions must add up to 75. And Ryan scored 97 marks. So from correct, he gets 3C minus W for the wrong ones and plus U, and that's equal to 97. And these are my two equations. The other condition is that the number of attempted questions was higher than the number unattempted questions are higher than the attempted. And the attempted is the correct plus wrong. So that's the inequality. And our focus is on what's the max number of correct answers. So C is the variable I'm interested in. And so I'm going to get rid of U and W and see what this inequality then tells us about C. So I'll add these two. 4C plus 2U is equal to 172 divided by 2. 86. So U is 86 minus 2C. I can plug that in here. And then to get to W, I will subtract these two equations. Let me just rewrite these again just so you can see it clearly. Because the subtraction would get rid of U. So we get 2C minus 2W. U's drop out. This would be 22. C minus W is 11, which means W is C minus 11. Again, we'll do that. Substitute that in terms of C. So move this here, move that over there. 97 is greater than 4C. C is less than 97 over 4. Or C is 4 times 2 is 8. 24 and 1/4. And since C needs to be an integer, and the question is what's the maximum number, the C max is 24. That's the greatest integer that's less than that. So that's the answer. Now, you can just, if you're doing this in the exam and you absolutely want to be sure, we can check our work. W would be 13. So wrong is 13, correct is 24, and this is for the max. These two add up to 37 out of 75, so 38 in unattempted. So we'll get 72 points for the correct ones, minus 13, and then plus 38. So 38 minus 13 is 25, and 72 is indeed 97, which is what we were given. So this is how I went about it, just using pure algebra so that I don't have to put strain on my brain. Now, I don't know at this point if there is a way to do this conceptually without kind of resorting to this algebra. I actually don't know. There probably is. But that just puts a lot of strain in terms of making that argument in the exam. And this setup is a lot easier, so you don't have to actually think through. So this is kind of, what I would recommend, but, figure out a method that works best for you. So to summarize, the answer is 24.